So I chopped off everything around the ears. The haircut looks slightly shortened. Let me cut this. There's one piece of gray that's sticking out here. We don't want it. Okay. So basically, this kind of haircut, especially when the hair naturally is a little bit curly, it's better to keep it shorter around the ears because this will grow literally in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You don't want your haircut to look good the first week, then get out of shape the second week, then you need a haircut in the third week. You go slightly shorter here, you go slightly shorter at the curve of the head because that's where it gets bulky and sticks out, especially if the hair is curly. When you do that, you guarantee that even if the haircut looks slightly shorter the first week, but now it's gonna last for another 5-6 weeks. So you doubled the waiting period for the next haircut. You will tell me when you come next time for haircut, I'm coming after 5-6 weeks, but to be honest, I still feel it's good. All my short haircuts, they tell me exactly the same thing. And this is all comes from being able to balance out the shape of the head. The bulky areas keep it in control. The areas around the ears and the neck, keep it as clean as possible. Okay?
Amazing.
Now, I didn't do much. Rough dry, I just twisted the ends a little bit with the brush, and that's all what you need. Okay? You can leave it messy. You can keep it forward, right, left,
I love
whatever it suits you. I use the serum, so
Okay.
the serum will actually give it a nice shine. Now, on the top of the serum, if you want to texturize the cut, you can put a little bit of paste. So I'm going to use only 1 drop of paste. This is all what you need. And only on the surface.
Okay.
Just go like this, like this. You see that? Then here,
Nice.
now we kind of mess it up a little bit more. If you want something to frame your face over here, you could do that. If you want to take it sideways. I know you like it forward, but
No, it looks really nice.
So forward is for the messy look, sideways for more like an elegant night
looks
out.
amazing.
So you could wear it in both ways. Okay?
Amazing. I love it.
You're welcome. I'm going to show you the back as well. Hold on there, please. So now,
Oh my God, I love it.
I cleaned all that very well, around the ears as well. So what I did, I put the ear, فادي قرب على هون شوي. I took the ear a little bit down. I cleaned all that short hair under.
Amazing.
So that hair that comes and curls out will not take time. If you notice me, I'm pulling the machine under.
Yeah.
This is what I do. Okay, this
Love
stuff, people, they don't notice it. Only the hairdresser. Even here, I did an undercut.
I love it.
You see, I did an undercut, then this comes on the top. This keeps control of the hair from curling. This
love it.
little thing,
Looks so clean
no
now.
one can notice it. And I did the same thing over here. This one, you saw me doing it because I was doing it at the front. I lifted all that part and I went short all
Love it.
around.
Super clean.
I went short all around here. Then I brought everything on the top. So now when your hair grow, you're not going to have a messy
I
look.
love it.
Okay?
I love it.
All right. This is what we call it details in short haircuts.
I love it. Thank you so much.
I need you to stand up for a minute. Over here. تفضلي لعندي شوي. لا خليكي لقدام أيوة. Right. Beautiful. And I feel like you really found your look.
Yes, I
You
did.
got you got a funky
did, I
style,
love
you got a
it.
funky haircut. I think you know what you're doing.
Yeah. I love it.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so
darling.
much. I love it.
You look great.
I
You're
love
welcome.
it.
Thank you.